starting my vlog on my phone because I don't know where my camera is, and like if I don't start it now then I won't, so you know yourself. But welcome to my channel and welcome to the vlog. Today's gonna be a random Saturday vlog. I don't know what I'm doing for sure, but like I need to do loads of bits. I need to go to the post office, I need to brush my teeth, I need to eat, I need to go I don't even know, I need to clean my room so badly, so I might do that with you. All grey. I want to be comfy today. This jumper is huge. Thought it would shrink, but like did it? No, didn't. But like I'm not worried, to be honest. I feel like it looks even worse in this video than in person. It's a double chin on me. Anyway, I'm comfy. Packages to get my people ordered in deals. It was $1.49, it was 8, which is so good. So handy because they're like a good size and you can just literally write it on there. It's so much easier. I never even smelled this one, but it actually smells nice. It smells like shampoo or something. Like it smells fresh, so like I'll live with it, you know what I mean? Do you know what, I can't deal with those people that leave the thing half on, half off. Like just take it off, I don't care. I like when it smells. Like I need, oh my god, my car is so dirty. I need to smell it all the time. But it looks cute, doesn't it? But the only thing is I have these emoji ones and I like how they look, but like they obviously don't smell anymore because I've had them for like 2 months. But like this one smells nice and it kind of looks nice as well, so I kind of want to put it up, but I don't know what to do. Oh, like that's honestly the biggest first world problem I think I've probably ever had. You know what, I just decided to take a little break and put one cute one up and just, you know, keep these. Put them up when I have an ugly one. Decided I'm gonna wash my car. The jet wash thing. It's freezing. I'm gonna regret this. The car wash. Helen watching them. Bonnie loves it.
Translated into a sort of a fellow feeling with Peter Casey, because he spoke about things which, into my mind, were wrong, but they resonated with people, and I think that reflected a general unhappiness that are in a lot of people about a lot of things in everyday life.
I just realised I never even showed you my car after I cleaned it, even though you can't see it from here, but it looks cute, doesn't it? Cute. I did a shit job. There was like 2 people behind me waiting to use the jet wash and I was just panicked. I was like, stop watching me wash my car, I'm just doing my job. Okay, so basically my room's a kip. Look behind me. My wardrobe is a big fat, a big fat kip. It's literally like hanging on by a thread, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to take out all my college clothes, which are over there, and I'm going to put them in something so that they don't get ruined, and put them in the attic, so then I have all that space over there to put my clothes in. And I went to IKEA yesterday and I was looking at stuff. I didn't buy what I needed because I just like to go back for them, but yeah, so I'm going to buy drawers for over here because those drawers are in shambles anyways, but I'm going to buy ones with 5 drawers. I'm going to buy the ones with 5 drawers instead of, sorry, these cameras are annoying me, instead of with 3, so then I'll have more drawers, and then I might buy Alex drawers or something similar to them for all my flippin' products that are on top of it, because there's flippin' millions of them, and there's also millions of them over here where my makeup is. Like, it's just not working for me, you know. I just have got too much stuff. Like, that's not a bad complaint, but I've got too much stuff now. So yeah, I also need to show you the other half of my room. It's all just clothes. Like, it's all just clothes. And I might just have to organise it into bags of clothes until I get my new drawers, because it's just not working for me. But I do think I have summer clothes that I can probably put in the attic for now, because, like, let's be honest, I'm not going to be able to wear them now. So unless someone's going to whip me off to the Maldives next week, which I don't think is going to happen. Raging. So all down there is clothes, like that's from the ground up to the height of my bed. And then there's more here as well. Those bags. This bag's full of clothes. This bag's full of clothes. This bag's full of clothes. So yeah, I need to organise that. So look, that's all I'm going to say. So I think I'm going to start off with my wardrobe anyways and take out my college stuff so that I have a bit more space, and then I'm going to see what I can put away for the summer or else throw away. Like, I did only do a clear out on my wardrobe over the summer, so it's not even that bad, but I've just got so much new clothes since and I don't know why. But anyway, I'm going to do that now. I'm going to put away anything I can and get rid of anything I can. It's hard though. I'm not a hoarder. Like, I like clean, but I do keep stuff, you know, too much. But then they come back into fashion and then I'm raging when I do throw them out, so like, do you know what I mean?
Miles away. Looking back on us, it was tender love. It was tender love. Looking back on us, and boy, I get that, but we'll never get back that tender love.
Lately, I know that I've been missing, and I ain't been tripping over wires I lay to save me. But I'm foolish, tried so hard not to screw this. Never thought that it was okay just to say I needed you.
Miles away.
To make you happy. But I don't hate me. Jesus.
You're not a lobo. You both going to Duns, taking a break from cleaning my room.
You want any onion or pepper in to go with your
No. Actually, yeah, no.
what? Yeah.
But what? Yeah.
No, what do you want?
Yeah, get onions and pepper and big.
I knew there's a reason you were coming with me.
That's not the reason why, though. Just to slag it.
Go to the
I'm
back.
dead. You will. Yeah. But what do you?
You're mad.
Mathematics.
No, I know the deal in my head, but like, because you're here, I'll be distracted.
I'm back. This is it so far. I'm gonna give you an update. So far, I might move around, hung up all them, and now I'm sorting out what's in here. And I put most of this stuff from over here away. And that's miscellaneous TV. So it's now Monday, it's bank holiday weekend. My tan, I haven't washed off yet, so like that's why it's disgusting. But yeah, I'm still cleaning my room. I'm sick of it.
For all the things she gave everything she gave to me. I saw
I think I'm just gonna put these under my bed because I actually cleared under my bed. I know, probably doesn't look like it, but I did the other week, so there's space for this. And yeah, the rest of my stuff was all just up in the attic, and it's too much of a hassle to get out. And like, there is bits that I might wear, like some of it is really summery, but some of it is, wait, oh, they're shorts. I thought they were jeans, and I was like, hold on. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna put this under my bed now, and I am pretty much finished. Like, this is as good as I'm gonna get my wardrobe until I've found some sort of like shelves or drawers for inside. So I may as well just show you. So I have all my, just tripped over a top on the floor. I have all my like jacket things there. I have like my actual coats just out here because, you know, they're not gonna fit in there. These are skirts, kind of random that they're there, but like, I don't know, I was just feeling like hanging them up. Then up here I have tracksuit bottoms. This one is cropped jumpers. This one is proper jumpers. I don't even know what to call them. This one is gym gear. Oh, that doesn't look great. And leggings and like all that like activewear stuff. This one is pajamas, and they're leggings. So I literally have left it for one day and it's gone messy already. Anyways, then I have more jumpers in here. They are miscellaneous. There are a few tops that I couldn't fit in my tops drawer. You'll understand when I show you my tops drawer. And then over here, this is like dresses and jumpsuits, like stuff like that. And then these are my drawers. Now, I broke the bottom one today and I just can't fix it. I still need to hoover my room, by the way. It's filthy after like all this, but yeah, so I'm not even gonna bother sorting out these probably yet until I'm gonna get drawers that are the same style as these from IKEA, but they have ones that have an extra 2 drawers. So yeah, I'm gonna get that. So at the moment I have my top drawer as like underwear and stuff like that, so like you don't really want or need to see that. This is my top one. I literally spent the last 3 hours organising this top one, threw out so many tops, put loads and loads of tops, like, well, not threw away, but like I'm giving them away, do you know what I mean? And put some of them in my wardrobe and everything, and I can't even open it. And then this one is trousers. It's mostly jeans except for like the odd like 2 pairs of trousers that I own, because all I wear is like jeans and leggings. So yeah, that just won't close now. I swear to God, I nearly put my back out trying to fix it earlier. I was like, see ya. So this bag is stuff that I'm giving away. There for the wash. That I haven't decided what I'm doing with that. These are all other people's clothes, like my friends or my mom's, like random bits. This is my summer bag that I'm going to put under my bed now. That's an empty bag. That's my gym bag. This is, oh, that's more stuff I'm giving away to like a charity shopper or something like that. This is all stuff that I have on Depop, or else I have yet to add to Depop. So I'm just going to keep them together. I have got more in my wardrobe that are like hanging up and stuff, but they're like the ones that I definitely won't wear again. Do you get me? Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I just have to literally go lie under my bed now and do this. And I think that is all I'm going to do in this video in terms of cleaning my room, because like you guys are going to hate me. But I really need to organise my makeup. And I need to go to IKEA and get the Alex drawers that the whole country has, or else get something similar to them, because like I can't, like, that's ridiculous. And also over here is absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get organised. I went to IKEA the other day. I just fell again, and I was looking at like the drawers and stuff. I didn't buy them yet though, because I wasn't 100% sure. And then I also got this like board thing. It was like fibre, but I'm going to use it as like a vision board or something like that, and hang it up. Thank you. Hang it up probably there. Oh my god, this is a freaking workout. Hang it up probably there, or else over my bed, or up there maybe. oh, I need to clean over here as well. And yeah, that I'm gonna just stick bits in it, like, you know, things that motivate me and things that I love and cute stuff like that. So yeah, just bought that because I didn't have enough crap in my room already. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm in severe need of a shower right now, and yeah, but I'm happy I've got the worst done so far, so you know, we're getting there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will hopefully be back with a lot more videos. I have loads and loads of hauls and stuff that I need to do, but I just couldn't really do them when my room is in this state because I literally couldn't find anything. So yeah, hopefully I'll be back on track this week. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.